Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is going to be the fifth tutorial in my C programming tutorial series, and in this tutorial we are going to see how to get input from the user and how to perform some certain actions in on that input. So let's start. The first step that you have to create a box or a variable where you are going to save the input of the user. So I am going to say int age, and I am also going to say int uh, favorite number. So I have created two variables. The first one is age and the second one is the favorite number. So I have to tell the user to enter your age. So I am going to say please enter your age. This, and on the next line I am going to use another function which is also provided in the stdio.h, and that function is used to take the input from a user, and that function is scanf. This, and as you can see that we are going to input an integer, so %d and then at and sign and the name of the variable where we have to store the input. And after this we are going to say printf, please enter your favorite number. Oh, sorry, forgive my spelling errors. Favorite number. So we have our favorite number here, and we are taking input from the next line. And this one, and again scanf, quotation double quotation marks %d, and then and we have favorite number, and then we will be going to print to in order to check whether we have taken input in a right manner or not. So age is %d and favorite number is %d as well, and on the next line. And the first one is, as you can see, which is age, and the second one is the favorite number. We have taken these inputs and we are printing those inputs on the screen. So let's run this. Okay, and the cursor is on next line. We have to input on the next line. So I am going to say 25, and my favorite number is 9, and we have successfully taken input from the user. So the age is 25 and the favorite number is 9. That's cool. And let's add another thing. Let's take any character as an input. Character input character, and this one. And I am also going to print like print. Please enter any one character of English language, and we are going to take input on the next line. And in case of character, if you remember, we have %c, and then we are going to save this on input character, and we can also output this as and entered character is %c, and that will be on the third place, and the third place will be input character. So let's see what happens. I am going to enter age, which is 25, and my favorite number is again 9, and the character is something like this. So you guys can also input the character as well, but it depends upon how you are going to handle this. For the time being, I am not going to using this in the our practices. I am going to remove this, and now we have seen how to get input from the user, or how to handle the input. So if I run this again, I am going to enter my age, which is 25, my favorite number is 9, and we can I'm sorry, I have to remove this one as well. This will become more complex, so I'm not going to work with characters. So once again, the age is 25 and my favorite number is 9. So age is 25 and favorite number is 9. So we have taken input from the user and we have stored that input in the variables as well for further processing. In the next tutorial, we will be looking at some advanced mathematical stuff like brackets and complex mathematical statements and how to solve that. Till now, keep watching these videos and keep learning. I will see you soon.